Hi, I'm Miyuki. This video is about how to custom make a cabinet door and add it to your favorite. I'm in kitchen cabinet module. To start, you can search for superboard or decorative panel. Here I'm going to use the decorative panel. Just drag out. Okay, the thickness of this decorative panel is 18 and you cannot change here. To change the thickness, you need to press B for board selection. Select the panel again. You will see a different edit window named Component. Then you may now change the thickness in H. Let's say I change to 22. And press B to exit board selection. Click the panel. I'm going to change the size to 100 now. Then Ctrl V to copy another one. Note that even you change the thickness to 22 already, but in product layout window it will still show 18. Then move it to the right, leave a gap of 400. Ctrl V again. Now I change the width to 400, height 100. Then Ctrl V again. Move it to the left to 2220, the same as the first one. Then move it up in elevation. Now we have the frame ready. For the inner panel, I'll just Ctrl V again, change the height to 400, then move it up 100, then Ctrl V to fill up the area. If you need more gap, then you may change the width to 98 or 97 to leave a gap on each of the panel. Next, I'm going to change the thickness of the inner panel to, let's say, 10. Make sure you are in the board selection mode. When it's done, Ctrl and select all panels, then Ctrl G to group them. Shift and select the panel to select the group, then press Z to move and rotate. Now you should see the thickness different. The inner panel is recessed. Continue rotate. Okay, now right click all material, cabinet material, choose a material to replace. Then board selection, click the left or right panel, right click, transfer to door leaf. Then you may add handle to the panel. Change the handle location and we are almost done. If you need to rotate the material of the panels, you can just right click material, 90-degree rotate. The last step is to group them and add to favorite. But one object can only be grouped one time. If you see this message when you group, that means there's a group within this group. So you need to Ctrl B to ungroup first. Then exit board selection, Ctrl select all over again, then Ctrl G to group and add to favorite. Choose the category and confirm. To use it, let's say I create a cube using superboard. You may also use a normal cabinet and delete the door. Select the door, then press Z to move it to the cube. Note that this is a custom-made door, so to use it, you have to drag it manually out from the library and place it manually. The door that you favorite can be found in Favorite. To use it, just drag it out to the scene. Then you adjust the handle position, depends on the door usage, be it on the base unit or wall unit, left or right, you adjust accordingly. Alright, that's all for now. Happy trying. Bye.